represents the oldest and one of the town's antique traditions of pottery. The native baskets, Balasan is gifted with vast agricultural and forest land, which enables the native folks to make a traditional basket because of the abundant presence of bamboos in Hawaii. The Bibingka, Balasan's pride and legacy, where it became famous because of its delicate preparation and mouth-watering taste. All the way from Balasan, Iloilo, is their candidate number 7, representing the municipality of Balasan. Igbaras is a third-class municipality in the province of Iloilo. Igbaras has many points of interest, including the famous Mount Napula, Nasadahan Falls, and of course, the world's largest flower that can also be seen in the mountains of Igbaras, the Raflesia flower, which resembles her festival attire. Built in 1878, the old limestone church of Igbaras used to have a big convent and was one of the longest church structures in Iloilo. From Igbaras, Sarah Elizabeth Bukoy, candidate number 8. The festival is celebrated every 18th day of March, the day when the American troops landed at the shores of Parara, Tikbawan, to liberate the island of Panay from Japanese invaders. This festival costume is inspired by one of the tribes in Tikbawan, the Manugrara. This tribe represents the culture of bamboo weaving, and the base outfit is mainly made by hand, woven, embellished with authentic wooden beads, chalk beads, stones and crystals. Rochelle Valencia Temporosa, Pagdaog Saludan Festival Queen, is representing the Saludan Festival. The festival costume is a resemblance of a Banog bird, where the traditional dance of Panay Bukidnots, the Binanog, was originated. The swinging wooden beads incorporated with old coins and silver ensembles the depiction of two Banog in courtship and reflects the traditional body accessories of a Binukot princess of the tribe. Flowers embodied in the costume symbolizes the local labog or rosso flower, which is used as one of the inspirations of Binukot princess to do their panubong or hand embroidery designs and authentic cultural patterns. Along with the labog flower are feathers, which features the rich cuisine culture of the people of Iloilo, celebrated through the Linabugan Festival. The medallion necklace creates an impact that one of the living cultural artists of the Philippines, the Gamaba, is only to be found in the mountains of Iloilo. Inspired by the patron saint Nuestra Señora de la Paz e Buen Viaje, Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage. The festival costume is a Filipiniana ball gown in light green in color that symbolizes wholesomeness, characteristics of a true Lusinanhon woman. Humble and grounded on a strong foundation, just like this humble and vibrant municipality. The vibrant color, such as blue, represents the marine ecosystem, and the pink represents the land. Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, Tampisaw Festival is an offshoot of the International Earth Day celebration. This festival costume would like to convey the message of protecting our vulnerable environment. Blended with beads and glitters and accentuated with miniature marine plants and animals, this woman warrior is perfect to represent our interventions to rehabilitate, protect, and preserve our environment. The warrior of the earth, Ira Nicole Historia of Concepcion, Iloilo.